Hello everyone, myself Lohit Dalal, lecturer, Electronics and Communication Engineering Department, Jain Polytechnic, Belgavi. Today I am going to discuss about unit number 2, Production and Material Management. Okay, it is a continuation part of a lecture number 8. In this lecture, I am going to discuss about what is productivity, what are the factors to improve the productivity. Okay, six lines of attacks to improve the productivity. These concepts I am going to discuss. Okay, so what is productivity? The main objective of the productivity is to combining the resources under controlled condition is to transform them into a goods and services having a higher value than the original inputs. Okay, original inputs means we are providing the raw materials in it. Okay, so that using the raw materials we are going to convert the finished products. Okay, that is known as a productivity. It can be expressed as the ratio of value of the output per worker hour to the cost of the inputs. Okay, that productivity always that should be less than or equal to the 1 only. Okay, so the effectiveness of the production factors in the transformation process is commonly known as the productivity, and also the productivity can be expressed as the ratio of value of the output per worker hour to the cost of the inputs. So that is within the period and quantity that is less than or equal to 1, greater than or equal to 1. Productivity should be greater than or equal to 1 should be needed, means greater than, okay, greater than the investment cost should be needed. Okay, whatever the investment cost will be there. Okay, more than that we have to more the goods and service value should be needed. Okay, next concept, factors to improve the productivity. Okay, there will be some factors which affects the which leads to improve the productivity. Okay, so first factor, capital labor ratio. Okay, capital labor ratio, there should be a balance in the capital investment and the labor. Okay, and also scarcity of some resources like energy, water, raw materials, etc., and also change in the workforce. Okay, that will affects the productivity. Okay, so we are, okay, that affects the productivity. So next, innovation technology requires the change and leads to decrease the productivity. Pollution, health and safety requirements should be needed. Management factors like poor planning and poor organization, that will affect the what productivity. So that one we have to improve. Okay, so there will be some. Okay, so how to improve the productivity question arises, no? So improving the volume of production, reducing the rejection rate, minimizing the rework. Okay, so automatically productivity can increases. Okay, quality control techniques, we can quality should be controlled so that productivity automatically increases. Okay, next concept, there will be 6 lines of attacks to improve the productivity. First, improve the basic process by research and development. That may be a long term measure and will require the huge amount of the investment. So next, provide a more and improved physical means of producing. Okay, so it provide a good quality and physical means of producing. Okay, means good, provide a more improved quality product. Okay, quality raw materials, and automatically productivity can increases. Simplify and improve the product and the research where it is. Okay, so intermediate measure and may require the investment. Improve, next point, improve the method of operations, method of handling. Next, improve the organization planning and control, increase the manpower effectiveness of all the levels, automatically productivity increases. Okay, and also eliminating the certain accidents and also maintain the quality management. And finally you can improve the by using the automation automatically you can improve the productivity. Okay, so in this session we have discussed what is productivity. Okay, so what is productivity we have discussed. Productivity means it is the ratio of value of the output per worker hour to the cost of inputs. Okay, so factors to improve the productivity, which factors affects the productivity and what action to be taken to improve the productivity. These concepts we have studied 6 lines of attacks to improve the productivity. Okay, how to improve the productivity. Okay, you can increase the capital labor ratio and change the what method of operations, okay, increase the manpower effectiveness in all the levels, okay, so that you can improve the productivity. Thank you.